Menteri Ketnat Social Welfare ubah polling do ulapan benar ba kajing Plie Biang ya ke Surok na tem yau Mawlong menen kesngi kalong ban Pynsting ya ke Jingdheng kali hanong ba Shulong. Ulapan syai ba kene kajing Plie Biang ya kene ke Surok kamdan jing ya dai bat kajing penkenria jaka syong ya ki bre ki ba syong basa ha kene ke jaka. Iba polling do ila banjur ba hadin nrius nem kenti kajing Plie Biang ya kene ke Surok ke kedau ya kajing ele ban pen bah Biang ya kajing long jing ban bat ban pensuk ya ke let kawan jong ki pat ba bat ki kali.
Trouble zone, but today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Mawlong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.
Ka Menteri